Right, this is a video which is a boy versus a dog, Daisy. Okay, drop. Good. Right, okay. So they're gonna be at they're gonna they're gonna be at equal level, and obviously Daisy's gonna be a bit faster than Sam, aren't you, Daisy? Oh my God.
Okay,
Even.
so
So this is a ball. 3, 2, 1, go, Daisy! Yes! Oh, Daisy! Right, we'll do another game. Right, okay, so we're going to do it again just to make it a fair test. Daisy, what's this? Right. I'm going to let Daisy win because I love her so much. Right, 3, 2, yes, Daisy got the ball! No!
okay, everyone. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye.